everyone, good day. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Friendly Quibol, and I am now a grade 11 senior high school student of Davao Central College. I am taking the strand which is the accountancy, business, and management. And today, I am your tutor in general mathematics, and our topic is all about compound interest. And our target for this topic is for you to compute or to solve for compound interest. But before we start, I will first define what is a compound interest and the likes for you to know about it. Compound interest is the amount earned for 1 year calculated by multiplying the principal by the interest rate. It is usually used for long-term transactions. It is also an interest resulting from the periodic addition of simple interest to the principal amount or simply the difference between the compound amount and the original principal. A compound amount, F, it is an accumulated amount obtained by adding the principal and the compound interest. Conversion period, M. In the number of these times in a year, the interest will be compounded. The following are the common conversion periods in a year. Annually is M is equal to 1, semi-annually is M is equal to 2, quarterly is M is equal to 4, and monthly is M is equal to 12. Total number of conversion periods, N. This is given by N is equal to MT, where T is the number of years. Periodic rate, I, is the interest rate per conversion periods. This is given by I is equal to R over M, where R is the annual interest rate. Present value of F. This is the principal P that will accumulate to F if there is an interest at periodic rate I for N conversion periods. So, here is my sample problem. Find the interest earned on 15,000 for 1 year at 7% compounded semi-annually. So, here are the given for this problem. ₱15,000 pesos for the principal. M is equal to 2. T is equal to 1 year. And R is equal to 7% or 0.07. So here is the solution for the formula. For the formula is given which is I is equal to R over M to find the periodic rate, and N is equal to MT to get the total number of conversion periods. Here it goes. I is equal to R over M, where R is equal to 0.07 and M is equal to 2. So the answer for that is 0.035. In this solution, you just have to divide the annual interest rate, which is the 0.007 by the conversion period, which is the 2, to find 0.035 as the periodic rate. Then N is equal to MT is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. In this solution, you just have to multiply the conversion period, which is the 2, to find the number of years, which is 1 year, to find for 2 as the total number of conversion periods. So we have now our guidelines in solving for the 2 conversion periods, which is the 0.035 for periodic rate and 2 for the number of conversion periods. We have now the total number of conversion periods, which is the 2. So we have to divide our solution into 2, the period 1 and the period 2. To 15,525 times 0.035 is equal to 543.372 pesos. To get 543.372, we just have to multiply our new principal and the periodic rate. So our compound interest in period number 2 is 543.372. So by getting the total interest in the conversion periods, we just have to add the interest in period 1 and interest in period 2. The interest in period 1 is 525 pesos, and in period 2 is 543.375 pesos. So here it goes. Total interest is equal to period 1 plus period 2. So our period 1 is 525 plus period 2, which is 543.375. So equals 1,068.375. So by adding the total interest of the 2 conversion periods, we can get the 1,068.375 pesos as the total interest for the principal of 15,000 pesos for 1 year at 7% compounded semi-annually. Example, given 20,000 pesos as the principal, 1 year, the time, interest rate is equal to 8% or 0.08 and the conversion period is equal to 2. So, period number 1. So this is for period number 1. I is equal to P times rate of interest. So our principal is 20,000 times the formula in getting the rate of interest is I is equal to R over M. So 20,000 times I. So our rate of interest is 0.08 and divided into our conversion period, which is 2. So 20,000. So the answer for this is 0.004. So 20,000 times 0.04 is equal to 800 pesos. So this is the 800 pesos is for the first payment for period number 1. Period number 2. Period number 2. Here is the solution. I is equal to principal times rate of interest. So our principal is 20,800. Our new principal times our rate of interest, which is 0.04. So the answer is 832 pesos as the interest in period number 2. So in getting the total interest in the 2 periods, we are going to add 800 plus 832. So the total number, so the total interest for the 2 periods is 1,632 pesos with a principal of 20,000 for 1 year at 8% semi-annually. So that's all for our topic today, which is the compound interest. Hoping that you learn a lot about this topic. Thank you for watching and God bless.